just a little photo walk on the island here in France. This is Le Chateau d'Oléron, which is on the Ile d'Oléron. It's a small island just off the coast of La Rochelle, central France really, halfway down France. And we have with us today a Canon 7D. It's the Mark 1. And on it I've got a Tamron 28mm f2.5 with an adapter FD to EOS. And we're just going to scootle around with some nice images. Now this is a statue I know quite well. It's a beautiful carving, absolutely beautiful carving. Mermaid of the sea. I've taken it with many different cameras and it always seems to produce some quite inspirational shots with the sea background. Good photo opportunity that I found. Sadly, the current graffiti is not as conducive to good pictures as it used to be. Just a heart over the, just about make it out, over the arch. Up on the ramparts now, surround Le Chateau. Incredible defence position here, and there's a little beach normally just down below. Quite extensive, these battlements. It's looking north towards campsite we're on, Le Brande, and across to Boyardville, and then Fort Boyard itself. And over there is Ile d'Ay, and beyond is La Rochelle. Over there is Rochefort. Well, what do you look for on these photo walks? Well, something inspiring, something original, something unique. But, you know, you look at this sculpture, everyone's going to be taking a picture of this, I guess, with the sea in the background. It's a standard shot, isn't it? But is there a different, more interesting angle or interpretation? What does it look like from, say, reverse? This angle. Is it giving us anything different? So is there a good shot here? Something that will become a keeper. Slightly uninspiring. What are we looking for? Something that stirs the emotions, really. Any elements here that might work? think I've learned that you actually have to be quite bold and take a few risks to get the best out of your photography, depending on what you're looking to do. I've missed a few really good shots where I thought, oh, why the hell didn't I take the camera out at that point? And you put off sometimes because of a feeling of not wanting to intrude on somebody's peacefulness. Another vista opens up. How to capture it. The port, people, boats, restaurants, architecture. But 90% of the shots I'll take here will be completely ordinary. 99 probably. Yeah, the sparrows all in there. What is the shot? Lighthouse, one of the most photographed spots on the island probably. I'm not sure many people will have viewed it from this angle, around here. Market Square on a non-market day. Anything here that resonates. So how do you evaluate the success of a photo walk? One keeper? You'll be lucky. You take 30 pictures, 30 to 50 pictures, you're still probably not going to get that classic shot. Unless you really, really do take risks, come at things afresh, just look at a different angle.